Sawadee-ka. Hi everyone. Today let's make Gaeng Keow Wan Moo or sweet green curry pork version. In the upcoming video, we will be sharing on how to make this green curry paste from scratch. Before we proceed with the video, give this video a like, share and subscribe to show your support. Let's take a look at our ingredients. I have here my small Thai eggplant. I cut this into 4, soak them in cold water and with a pinch of salt. This is to prevent them turning dark. I have here my pork belly, but you can use other part of the pork too. Coconut cream, Kaffir lime leaves. I fold this in half and took out the stem. Big chili, I cut this diagonally. Sliced long bean, palm sugar, fish sauce, Thai basil leaves, and lastly, my green curry paste. On low heat, you want to put in your coconut cream, stir until it looks like this. And then we put in our green curry paste. And put in some water. Don't stop stirring or else it might splash at you. Just keep stirring around. Then we put in our pork. Followed by some water and bring this to a boil. Stir this well until the pork and the curry paste combine, and then it's time for the seasoning, which are fish sauce and your palm sugar. Stir this well. Small Thai eggplant and long beans. You need to push the eggplant down and cover this to prevent them turning dark. Cover this for 5 minutes. My eggplant is looking done, so I'm putting in my chili. Kaffir lime leaves. Make sure you push them down so that they don't turn dark. Let's give this a final taste test. I think this recipe is just right. It's well balanced, but if you like it to be more sweet, you can then add palm sugar. More salty, add fish sauce. This is the final product of our green curry pork version. You can have this with plain rice or laksa noodle. That sounds so good right now, but I'm just having this by itself today. So let's go in. This is my all-time favorite dish. The pork belly looks so good. The ratio of the fat and the meat. The eggplant and the long bean has a really nice texture. You can use any part of the pork that you like, but I do recommend the pork belly because of the chewiness of the rind, the fat, and the meat. So good. Do not miss out on the Kaffir lime leaves and the Thai basil. They really elevate the whole flavor of the dish. If these two are not in there, it's like your green curry is missing something, because these two is the heart of our Gaeng Keow Wan. See you next time in the next Thai recipe video. Bye bye!